So the next level, we should draw T in order to prepare or to process the financial statement, the cash flow. Yeah, you write down many T, and then next what you need to do is to transfer or posting the item in the software to the T account. Yeah, so the T account we have BD and CD, which we have left side and right side. So those are actually represent debit and credit. So from those color, we transfer to the T account. Yeah, the asset must start opening balance with the debit balance and credit balance. Yeah, so here plant and machinery 240,000, carried down is to 302,000. Yeah, purchase and fitting, yes, balance product is 48,000, closing balance is for 58,000 on the credit side. Whereas for the inventory, alright, so next we have alright, so once we've meet the item which is included in the cash and cash equivalents, we are going to transfer right away the figure to the notes. That's why we have completed, or we must complete the template first. Yeah, alright, so next we have trade receivable. Yeah, remember the asset is debit balance, the closing balance will be at the credit side. Alright, 86,000, carried down will be 88,000, right? Okay, and then we have ordinary share capital. So in share, we must start with the opening balance at the credit column and then closing at the debit column. And that's how T account actually for the individual account. Then we have ARR. Yeah, the opening balance will be on the credit side, closing balance on the debit side. Yeah, retained profit will start with the 86,000 on credit balance, and then closing balance will be 170,000 on the debit side. Alright, so next we have 6% debentures. Again, this is liability. The opening balance will be on the credit side, so the amount from the software or the information will be transferred to the credit side on the debentures for the opening balance, and then credit balance will be on the debit side. Okay, alright, so whereas for the bank overdraft, we have to post to the notes because it's actually the element of cash and cash equivalent. So the beginning and the ending, but we have to bracket show that it is outflow because the money is not ours, it's belong to the bank, which means you have to pay afterwards. Then you have trade payable. Again, the balance BD, balance CD, and debit credit side, and CD will be debit side 96,000. Okay, then we go to we have tax payable. It's your liability, the opening balance on the credit side, closing balance on the debit side. Post the amount that we have from the question one by one. Alright, and then we have account accumulated depreciation. Again, the brought down figure will be on the credit side, the closing figure will be debit side. Just transfer the amount, everything that we found from the information. So accumulated depreciation, we have another accumulated depreciation, which is that's for furniture and fitting. Yeah, brought down 26,000, closing down will be 30,000. Okay, so next once we're done, we are going to go to the additional information.